My people una do, una we be say no be the first time when I reach my channel be this. Una welcome back. Una we be say na the first time when I take una to kuro I see me now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue today's video, may I quickly remind you say, you see that red button there where they write subscribe. Make you click am so that you go subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the pan notification say I don't upload new video. Na so una do well. So this one is my new channel where I just create because that other channel. So that when I do pidgin English, some people know they too happy and no blame them because when they subscribe na English I test start the channel. So I no blame them. I no blame them. But some of una they always tell me say una like the pidgin English video where. Some of una they tell me say una even prefer the pidgin English one past the English video where I do. I just say you know what I go do? Me I just create this channel separate where I go to do pidgin English. I go leave the other one say na that side I go to blow grammar. For here I go to speak our Nigerian pidgin because I know say many of una like and where. So make una subscribe as I newly starter. My plan like I tell you na so na to do only pidgin for here. No grammar at all. No English nothing. Na only our pidgin I go to speak for here. My people, don't forget to subscribe. For today's video, I want read you now something way there for news. Where I read, I say I don't know what I want to put for this matter. Think I go for think I go back. I don't know what I want to think for put for the matter. Because as the thing be, it be make sense. So what the person they talk. For one hand again, it not to make sense. I say, this thing they interesting. Make I call here, make I come knock on the story. Now I want to so. So make I read the news for now. Indian man they carry him parents go court say they born her without permission. I never hear this catchy before. As I call the read the news, I really come talk say Mumbai businessman Raphael Samuel tell BBC say it ain't wrong to carry children come ward but then put them for sufferness. Even though Samuel understands say it's not possible to ask for person permission before them born am, he insists say no be our decision to come ward. So as no be we say make them bonus, we not supposed they pay to they alive for the rest of our life. This in kind of demand fit cause katakata for family. But Samuel say him no get any wahala with him parents. Him two parents na lawyer. And he be like say the thing self they make them laugh. Inside one statement, Imana Kavita Kanad Samuel explain wetin she think about the wahala where her son they cause. I must admire my pikin courage to won't carry him parents go court, and even though him know say two of us na lawyers. And if Raphael fit get explanation where make sense, as in how we for fit asking permission be to born am, I go accept my fault. Samuel based in belief on wetin Oyibo they call anti-natalism. It means say suffer too much for life, so make people stop to the born pikin sharply. According to him, this go gradually remove human beings from earth. It go also do good for the planet. It don't make sense say human beings they this earth. So many people they suffer. If human beings disappear from world, the earth and the animals go happy well. Their life go better pass. I know say them go throw away this case because no judge go one hear them. But I go still fight the case because I won't make point. 1 year ago, he create Facebook page where him they call Nihina Nand. For there he show him picture with plenty fake beer and eye mask. No be kidnapping and slavery to carry pikin come word. They force them to get career. In Facebook post don't attract plenty comments. Some they positive, but most of them they negative. Some they even abuse them to go kill myself. Some mothers way in talk they worry. Don't ask them wetin go happen if their children see him post. Him say to the people where abuse them, make them abuse me. But he gets people where they support me. Fear not greet them, come out, talk their mind. And they ask them to come out, come talk. Now so in talk. But people where they bad mouth and say in they do to attract attention. My people, this one weak me, he weak me no be small. How person want to ask pikin where carry for belle for permission before I go born? Me I understand what the guy they try talk because it's not easy. You know say for us, especially for our country Nigeria, you go see some family they no get money, they go born 10 children. Although another thing na contraception, they know they educate people where we have to prevent belle. The way they teach people how to prevent belle. So when they don't really get the belle now, say our culture no they too support. No say many of our people is either they be Christian or be Muslim, and our religion no they are no support abortion. Even our culture no support abortion. So when people get this kind of belle now, they don't go want kill the pikin, they go keep her. So many people where be say the poor people no fit afford contraception, but some people no be that one be the problem. Some people believe say as they're poor, the more children they go they born, the more they increase their chances say one of them go do well for future. Now they make some people pump up and down. You know, so we know sometimes it's not easy to tell what be the situation, what be the case for one person or the other. Everybody case different. But my thing I say, you know, say some people no get money, they go come born. They go come they born all the children. They inside suffer. They go born children inside suffer. Children go they suffer. I feel say now what this guy they try to talk now be that say poverty too much. Some people they suffer. And as I say, they say Mumbai na India country, and we know say them to be like us. Poverty, they don't say they be like us. Poverty plenty for their side and suffer plenty for their side too. I feel say now waiting this bobo they try to talk now be that, but you know go blame her. You know, go blame her. The situation of things, you know, easy. So I understand what they try to talk, but at the same time, now, how you want to collect permission from pikin when you never even conceive, not to talk of to even born. How they want to do one? You know, possible. You know, possible. It not to make sense. But anyway, as I read the thing, I find her funny. But one way when I think I not to find her funny, our government it good make they begin the plan how they go take help people to they do family planning so that couple don't born like 2 or 3. They go give them free. Even by now they're supposed to get free clinic for all these kind of people, especially the ones where they don't go school, so that they go they learn all the things what they're supposed to do. We say they go still enjoy themselves like husband and wife, but they don't go they get belly where they no plan. Because our country poverty too much. You know, good. Too many children for what people don't provide for. You know, they good. What it be life when person no fit chop belly full? What it be life? What it person gain for this life? Where we say you can't life. You know if you chop ordinary food. You know if you go school. You know if you do anything. Suffer from morning to night. You know too good. You know when I read this thing, I find that interesting. Say I understand what it is about they try to talk. But for one hand, now how you want to take permission for pikin where you never born before, where you never even get the belly, you never born. You know it's not possible. But I feel say the guy just use style to attract attention to the real point where they try to bring out. So my people, how wanna see the matter? Whatever wanna think for the matter, I wanna put for the comment section below. Make we all rub mind for this matter here. Put your own for comment section below. I go try read una comment. As I don't talk rich like that, make I leave her for there. Until next time, my people, una do well, so una go watch my video. Until next time, una bye bye you, una bye bye.